Taman, Russian hull, Indian source.
Armed with BrahMos, built to evade S-500, INS Tamal is deadlier than F-35s, F-16s. India will induct the advanced stealth frigate INS Tamal on the 1st of July 2025, built under an Indo-Russian collaboration, to modernize its naval fleet amid rising security challenges. What sets INS Tamal apart is its 26% indigenous content, a move that signals India's slow but determined stride towards defense self-reliance. What sets INS Tamal apart is its 26% indigenous content, a move that signals India's slow but determined stride towards defense self-reliance. In a landmark step to bolster India's maritime defense capabilities, the Indian Navy is all set to induct the advanced stealth frigate INS Tamal on July 1, 2025. Built under Indo-Russian collaboration at Russia's Yantar shipyard in Kaliningrad, the warship comes as part of a 21,000 crore rupees defense agreement inked in 2016, underscoring India's growing urgency to modernize its naval fleet amid rising security challenges in the Indian Ocean region. The induction ceremony will be attended by senior Indian naval officials, including Vice Admiral Sanjay J. Singh, Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Western Naval Command. INS Tamal is the second of 4 stealth frigates being delivered under the agreement and represents a significant step in India's effort to match China's rapidly expanding naval footprint. Stealth frigate INS Tamal to be commissioned into Indian Navy on July 1. K-6 hypersonic missile, a faster, deadlier, stealthier superweapon for the Indian Navy. The strategic landscape has undergone a seismic shift in the wake of the Russia-Ukraine conflict and the escalating hostilities between Israel and Iran. Countries worldwide are now reassessing their defense readiness, and India is no exception. With Pakistan on the western flank, China to the north and east, and 3 vast water bodies, the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean, surrounding it, India's geographical and geopolitical position demands robust multi-dimensional defense capabilities. China's aggressive posturing and its growing influence in the Indian Ocean have prompted India to take decisive steps to secure its maritime boundaries. INS Tamal is part of this urgent response. INS Tamal, a stealth-guided missile frigate, is a modernized Kirwat-class warship, and an enhanced version of the INS Tushil, which joined the fleet in December 2024. The vessel is engineered to evade enemy detection, equipped with cutting-edge infrared stealth technology, and designed to integrate Indian-developed weapons and radar systems. Key capabilities include: length, 125 meters. Displacement, 3,900 tons. Speed, up to 55 km per hour. Weaponry, equipped with the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, with a strike range between 290 to 450 km. Air support, can deploy Kamov 28 and Kamov 31 anti-submarine and airborne early warning helicopters. Multi-targeting ability, designed to neutralize threats from enemy fighter jets, submarines, and drones alike, including adversaries like the F-16, F-35, Rafale, and China's J-35A. Advertisement. Importantly, the vessel's stealth profile helps it operate beyond the reach of air defense systems like the Russian S-500, giving it a distinct tactical edge in sea-based operations. Strategic deployment in Arabian Sea. Advertisement. Following its commissioning, INS Tamal will be deployed in the Arabian Sea under the Navy's Western Command, a region fraught with strategic significance. The maritime boundary between India and Pakistan lies here, and proximity to Karachi, Pakistan's commercial and naval hub, amplifies the importance of this deployment. During the 1971 Indo-Pak War, India's Western Fleet dealt a decisive blow to Pakistan in this very zone. Now, with INS Tamal joining the front lines, India is once again asserting its maritime readiness in a historically sensitive region. The 21,000 crore rupees deal with Russia includes 4 stealth frigates of the Kirvuk III class. 2 of these are being constructed in Russia, INS Tushal and INS Tamal, at a combined cost of 8,000 crore rupees. The remaining 2 will be built domestically at Goa shipyard with Russian technical assistance, contributing to the center's Make in India defense push and costing 13,000 crore rupees. What sets INS Tamal apart is its 26% indigenous content, a move that signals India's slow but determined stride towards defense self-reliance. As China's naval activities continue to expand from the South China Sea into the Indian Ocean, India is steadily reinforcing its seaborne defenses, from the induction of stealth frigates like INS Tamal to strengthening aircraft carrier capabilities and deploying long-range surveillance assets. The commissioning of INS Tamal marks a significant step in India's naval modernization, emphasizing self-reliance and strategic partnerships. As part of the Indian Navy's ambitious plans, Tamal will contribute to enhancing maritime security and projecting power in the region.